fantastic morning right here in Ocherius, and I am excited as I had to walk away from breakfast just to watch the beautiful carnival sensation sail into the pier of Ocherius Bay. She's making her graceful arrival to join the iconic New Staten Dam. It will be a busy day in Jamaica today. Our ports are seeing lots of activity, and I have good friends on many vessels today. Greeting my friend, colleague, Mary, in a little bit of the New Staten Dam. And then we have some other really good friends down in Falmouth. Shout out to Tammy and Ken and oh dear, I'm gonna get into trouble for calling all the names. Viola and my dear friend who didn't tell me she was coming to Jamaica, and I just forgot her name. But love you all, Avoya Masterminds in Jamaica today. Jamaica, land of beauty. Jamaica, land we love. My home sweet home. Enjoy your day. Ciao. I have the privilege of seeing a junior suite right here at the Moon Palace, and this is the Moon Palace Jamaica Grande in Ocherius. Block 1. Full bath, nicely appointed slippers. Come in. You have your own jacuzzi tub.
So it's a governor suite.
This, my friends, is a governor's suite. So you know, there's nothing simple about this particular room category. Right here at the Moon Palace, Jamaica Grande. So I'm just taking a quick walk through just to show you guys another one of the wonderful possibilities that exists that can be yours as our guest. And it is important for you to be a guest of Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. Of course, what is lounging in front of a huge TV without your snacks? Snacks are there, big screen TV, nicely appointed room. And what I really like is how big the balcony is. Now, we're in a junior suite. This is governor's suite. But I love what happens on the outside here.
You want to go outside?
Oh, for sure. And I met this wonderful young lady. And she's just amazing.
Hi.
And she hasn't even told me her name.
My name is Nicole.
Oh, this is amazing, Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. And she's assuring me, ensuring all of us, that we get a good look. I could have a party out here. Y'all want to come over? You probably should. And look, just from the balcony, we see the New Staten Dam. You know, I was over there this morning, and she's a beauty. The newest ship in the Holland America fleet. She's docked in the Bay of Ocherius next to Carnival Sensation, which is a signature right here in Ocherius. So you have a general view of the property, but love the balcony. Oh my goodness, we really could have a party here. And Nicole has gone above and beyond. She's brewing me some coffee. What a good girl, my lord. So this is not where it ends, guys. Not at all. There's a living space. It's big. It's big. Look at this. And you didn't realize that in Jamaica, there are all different types of options in terms of accommodation. Oh yes. Second door, slide-in patio door, takes you on the shared patio, looking through the curtains out towards the sea. And of course, here we have a full view of what the governor's suite looks like. But you can only get it by calling us here at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. And you know how to reach us. 347-757-6728. And we will be here to ensure that royalty and the governor's lifestyle is yours. There's a nice wet bar as well, so entertaining is a breeze. So don't feel bashful if you come and you just kind of want to take it all in. The refrigerator fully stocked, replenished daily. Absolutely nothing to worry about. And as we love to say in Jamaica, no problem. This is Sharon with Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. Ciao for now. Wanting you to enjoy the background music as you take in Pier 8, this wonderful venue. Open for breakfast and dinner. Food is scrumptious, the music is even better. Or maybe not, but equally good, they complement each other. The song reminds me of the lady Louise Bennett Coverley, an icon in Jamaican history, folklore. I wonder who can sing the songs of the sounds, the words of this song. Let's see how many of you know this song. Yep, we are still on land. This is the only resort in Jamaica that has a Flowrider. And boy, these kids are having the time of their lives. I wonder if alright, so that's why I'm not brave enough to try. Because you see, the bones are not as young as I would want them to be, and I don't want to know if they set easily or not, so instead I will just watch the kids have the time of their lives. Moon Palace, Jamaica Grande, Flowrider, another reason to book. This is the day where your go-to company, Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun.